Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Steam is running and you are signed in. Once done, launch the game with administrator rights so Steam can inject its API. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining Steam API. DLL. Next, check whether your game build matches the Steam API. DLL bitness, 32-bit versus 64-bit, because a mismatch prevents initialization. Do these first actions now. They remove the most common startup blockers and let the API handshake proceed correctly. Once prerequisites are satisfied, replace the Steam API. DLL with a clean copy that matches your build. Do not mix versions. Then verify Steam APID. TXT contains the exact numeric app ID and sits beside the executable so Steam can identify the title. Make sure your launcher or startup code calls Steam API init at the right time before any Steam-dependent calls, and that launch options don't bypass Steam. These middle steps align files and order of operations so the Steam API can initiate. To finish, restart Steam and your PC to clear transient issues. Once rebooted, clear Steam's download cache to remove stale data. Launch the game directly from your Steam library so the overlay and environment variables are guaranteed, and confirm Steam API and it returns true at startup. If problems persist, enable Steam logging and inspect Steam log. TXT for explicit errors. It tells you whether DLL loading, app ID lookup, or API handshake failed. Use that log to target the exact remaining fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.